Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'll show you guys how to make an iPhone 13 case in Mastercam. Here we go. So here is the case we'll be making today. Just got a front and a back. And there's the new iPhone 13. So what we want to do is make the front cover and the back cover. I'll show you guys a simple way to do this. So we'll go to our plane, which is centered on the screen. What we're going to do is we're going to type in for level 5, we'll type in case front new. And we'll do silhouette boundary. So we'll go around the profile of the iPhone. Select all wireframe. We'll change it to a color we can see. Go up to transform. Click on chain. Select that wireframe. Click towards the outside. And we'll give it 0.1875. That'll be thick enough. Click the check. Clear colors. And now we're going to select some of this wireframe that is kind of protruding out from the rest of the outer profile, and we're just going to delete it. That was just the buttons. So what we can do now is connect our empty segments together. Okay. Next, go to transform chain. Click on the same chain as before, but now click towards the screen, and we'll move it over 50 thou. So we'll select all the wireframe, color it red so we can see it better. And what we want to do is what we did before. We want to delete that extra wireframe that we don't need. Click delete. Now we can go back to wire, lined endpoint, and we can just connect our open geometry back up together. Switch the color to red. Okay, so now we have the basic wireframe. So now you can go to solids, extrude, click the outer wireframe, click the middle wireframe, click the check. Distance, we'll go 300 thou because we measured that before. Create body, and that looks good. Go ahead and click the check. And now we're going to do the same thing. Extrude, click the outer profile and the inner. And we want to go up 50 thou. So that's going to hold the outside of the phone and the front of the phone. Click on Boolean, click on the big piece, right click, click add, click on the smaller piece, and that's how you connect both the solids together to form one big solid. Now you can click on fillet. I'll try that again. And you can click that face, We can add a little bit of a radius. We don't want any sharp edges on our case. So that's beginning to look like a case for this iPhone 13. We'll change the color. Let's pick something cool. Go to more colors. Try to find a cool color. That's cool. That's kind of a teal color. So, front is done. Now we have to do the back. So we'll switch our plane to a plane that's centered on the back. Select the entire iPhone, click on wireframe, click on curve all edges. We'll select that wireframe of the camera boss and we'll move it to a different level. Now we can select level 5 and we can have this wireframe. We'll transform this up. I'll show you guys why later. Right now, let's get it off the phone. Let's kind of get it up off the phone and off the front case. We'll save that for later. Now, click on extrude. Click on the outside. We'll make it 100 thou thick. 50 thou is just a little too thin. And now, what we can do is we'll make another level. We'll call it case, back, and we'll move the back of the case to that level. Cool. Now click on extrude, click on that wireframe we got up off the part, click on cut body, and we'll go down 600. So we just cut a slot for our camera to poke out. Now we're going to add fillets like before. Select that face, give it a 30 thou fillet. Remember, no sharp edges. And now we will change the color. Give it a white back. So now activate level 1, give it a little visual inspection. And from what I see, well, actually we can take all of our wireframe and we can move it to our wireframe level to clean this up a bit. That looks better. And yeah, that's looking good. Now, of course, it doesn't have the fastener holes through the back and the threaded holes through the front, which would attach this thing together, but just for this video, to keep it short, this is kind of just the basics. If you want to design a case for your iPhone, you can kind of follow this formula and then make it as detailed and take it as far as you want. But that's just our short little video on how to make an iPhone 13 case and Mastercam. I hope you guys liked it, and subscribe for more. Thanks.